Facing App Store connectivity issues on your iPhone or iPad? Let's troubleshoot. Begin by navigating to Settings, then Wi-Fi Settings, and reconnect to your network. If your Wi-Fi connection seems sluggish or unstable, opt for a faster, more reliable network. Conversely, if you're relying on mobile data, ensure that 4G is activated in your mobile data options. Should the problem persist, consider switching to a Wi-Fi connection for a more stable experience. Next, delve into General Settings, locate Date Time, and ensure that both the 24-hour time format and the Set Automatically option are toggled on. These settings adjustments can often resolve connectivity issues by syncing your device accurately with the network. As a final recourse, return to General Settings, navigate to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Your device will undergo a restart, which should rectify any underlying network configuration issues. With these steps completed, try accessing the App Store again. If all went well, you should now be able to browse and download apps without encountering any connectivity obstacles. Don't forget to drop a comment if this tutorial proved helpful, and consider subscribing for more troubleshooting tips in the future.